Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect an Epson EcoTank printer to Wi-Fi with Epson iPrint. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Epson EcoTank printer to Wi-Fi using the Epson iPrint app, start by ensuring your printer is powered on. Make sure your smartphone or tablet is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Download and install the Epson iPrint app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Epson iPrint app on your device. Tap the Printer is not selected option to search for available printers. The app will display a list of nearby Epson printers. Select your EcoTank printer from the list. If prompted, accept any necessary permissions for the app to access your network. Next, tap on the Wi-Fi setup option to begin the connection process. Choose Wi-Fi Setup Wizard to enable the wireless connection. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list displayed on the screen. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Once entered, tap OK or Connect to initiate the connection. Wait for the app to confirm that your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. You will see a confirmation message on your device once the connection is successful. To test the connection, try printing a test page from the app. Navigate to the Print option in the app and select a document. Tap on Print to send the document to your EcoTank printer. Your printer should begin printing the document if everything is set up correctly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your Wi-Fi password and ensure your device and printer are on the same network. That's it. Your Epson EcoTank printer is now connected to Wi-Fi using the Epson iPrint app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.